Hey guys, what's up? It's Erica, and today I am doing like a iPhone unboxing plus like what's on my iPhone. I literally just picked up my iPhone from the Apple store. I wanted to do like an unboxing, but I needed help setting it up, so it's unboxed, but I'll like reopen it. My phone's in it with the case on. I got the iPhone XR. This is my old phone. It was a 6S and it just started having like a lot of problems. I'm not sure if it was like the software or the hardware. Just a disclaimer, I know everyone says this in YouTube videos, but I'm not trying to brag. This is just like if you're thinking about getting the XR, because like I didn't know what I wanted to get, for like informational purposes or enjoyment if you want to see someone open their iPhone. This is the iPhone XR. I got it in all black. Basically like you open it, like always the Apple, I don't know, pamphlet at the top. And then here's my phone. It does have the case on it. And they already like synced up my iCloud and all that. So it has that. It has like my Face ID already in it and everything. But I really haven't like sat and played on it or like downloaded anything yet. So I'll show you everything on it. Then inside you have the headphones, a cord for charging. Something that I don't think you get is like the dongle thing. Like I have an aux cord in the car and I can't use that on this phone, which is annoying because I thought you got a dongle with it. You get the same stuff with like every Apple product you buy pretty much. So for the actual phone, I set up my Face ID. So this is like honestly kind of weird for me, like figuring out. So I like unlock the phone, I guess, and look at it, and then it says like unlocked, and then I can swipe up and I'm into my phone. And then something I don't understand is if I open an app, like I don't, like that's how you get rid of it, you like swipe up, but I still need to figure out, like, you know when you would double tap on the iPhone and then all your like previous apps open up so you can like, you know, turn off like background app usage and stuff. Okay, I just figured it out, but you're just kind of like that, if you could see that at all. It hooked up to my iCloud. I have tons, I have like 11,000 photos. My old phone was 12.1 gigabytes of storage, I think, and this is 64. So that like in itself is going to be kind of life-changing. All my texts are on here, all my notes, which was cool because that didn't happen on my last phone. The camera I haven't really used. I will just take a picture and show you guys what it looks like. Actually, this is really cool. It's like a really good photo. Like, I'm actually really impressed. Like, I did not think it was gonna look like that. I was trying to decide between the iPhone XR and the iPhone XS, and I went and talked to them, to the Apple store, about it. The iPhone XS is like $300 more, I want to say, than the XR, and the two things that are different that the guy at the Apple store told me were like the camera. The iPhone XR, I guess the XS has like another lens underneath that one, and so your pictures are a little bit better, and also your screen, I guess, has higher pixels or something in it. Like, I don't care at all about what my screen looks like, but the pictures were the only thing that I was like, that could be kind of cool. But I do have a DSLR camera, so it wasn't really worth $300 to me to get like a better phone or a better camera on my phone when like I like taking it with my DSLR anyways. I've heard though that the XR has the longest battery life, which is really cool. People have told me they don't charge their phone for like 2 days. And the phone case I got, if anyone is interested, is this Tech 21, and it's black like on the rims sort of, and then it's just like clear on the back. I guess some things that you guys might want to see on the iPhone is it downloaded all the apps that I had on my last phone, but it's downloading like Numbers and Keynote and iMovie, GarageBand, stuff like that, which, okay, I can delete them, which is nice. I don't really know why I would ever need like Keynote on my phone. Something really cool that the like Genius Bar lady was telling me is on the iPhone X. I think you can download it on any phone, but it comes on this phone, is they have an Apple Store app. And through this Apple Store app, you can literally go into the Apple Store and do a whole self-checkout process. You can literally call the Apple Store directly from the app. The like LTE area right here, if you just like pull down like that, you will get like that little homepage, which is where like the flashlight and the timer and all that is. This phone confuses me already, but it's really cool. I really like it. I am super excited to use it and to figure out more stuff, because in this like 10 minutes I've been filming, I found like some more features, which have been really, really cool. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So please let me know what other types of videos you guys would want to see. I'm really trying to upload more on YouTube. I've been really excited about YouTube for like 3 years and I haven't been consistent, but I'm really trying to be consistent and like crank out content, and hopefully you guys enjoy the content, and I want to make sure that I'm putting out stuff that people will actually want to watch. So please let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
If you're not liking and subscribing, then get the f*** off this channel.